In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a waiting list on Bigcommerce. A restock waitlist lets shoppers raise their hand when a product is unavailable, so you capture demand, recover sales, and learn which items to replenish first. First, log in to your Bigcommerce admin. From the dashboard, open the Apps area and head to the Marketplace, also called the Bigcommerce App Store. In the search bar, type terms like back in stock, waitlist, or restock alert. You can also search by known app names such as In Stock Notify, Back in Stock Wizard, or Stock Notify. Scan the listings for features you need, check reviews, pricing, and whether the app mentions compatibility with your theme. Most offer free trials, which is helpful while you test. Click Install on your chosen app and approve the authorization prompt so it can read inventory data and create notifications. During setup, you'll choose where the feature applies, like all products or specific categories, and whether the button should appear only when items or variants are out of stock. Take a moment to customize the email template so it matches your brand voice and design. Add your logo, adjust subject lines, and confirm the sender settings. Many apps also let you control timing, such as sending alerts immediately on restock or batching them. If SMS or push notifications are available, decide whether you want those, but email alone works great for most stores. Once configuration is complete, visit a product that's out of stock and you should see a Notify Me or Join Waitlist button appear on the product page. Some apps let you change the wording and placement to fit your layout. If you don't see it yet, check the app's display settings and make sure the product or variant is truly marked out of stock. When you receive new inventory, update the stock levels in your Bigcommerce admin as you normally would. The app watches for these changes and automatically sends notifications to everyone on the waitlist for that item. For best results, ensure inventory tracking is enabled, save after updating quantities, and keep an eye on your email analytics to fine-tune subject lines or send timing. As a final tip, preview your emails on mobile and keep copy short and clear. Consider limiting the number of alerts per customer to avoid fatigue, and include a link back to the exact product variant to reduce friction. Periodically review your waitlist report to spot high-demand items and plan replenishment.